Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer tickets on Gametime. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Gametime app on your phone and sign in to the account that you used to purchase the tickets. Alright, so tickets delivered within the Gametime app can be shared directly from the app, while tickets delivered through platforms like Ticketmaster AXS or MLB Ballpark must be transferred using those respective platforms. Now, the Game Time mobile website, which is what I have here, does not currently support transferring tickets. So you will need to use the Game Time app or the external ticket providers app or website. Now, the Game Time app is only available to people in 3 countries. So if you are not eligible, then you might not be able to have access to transferring tickets because you cannot do that in the mobile browser. So let's say you have access to the mobile app, right? What you're going to have to do is to just launch the Game Time app on your phone. Let's say this is the mobile app and sign into the account that you used to purchase the tickets. Now, using the correct account is important because your purchase tickets are linked to the account. Now, at the bottom of the screen, go ahead and tap tickets. At the bottom of your mobile app for Game Time, tap tickets. Now, this section displays all of your upcoming events and tickets available in your account. For here, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on my tickets, and it takes you to this page where all your tickets are organized. But because you want to transfer, you have to use your mobile app. So from the mobile app at the bottom of the screen, click on tap tickets, and the section display all of your upcoming events and tickets available in your account. So tap the event for which you want to transfer tickets, and you'll now see the ticket details, including the seats you have purchased. If your tickets were delivered within the Game Time app, just tap share tickets, and this option lets you send one or more tickets to another person directly through the Game Time. So type the recipient's name, phone number, or email address. Double check the information before continuing to make sure the tickets are sent to the correct person. Review the transfer details and confirm the action. And once the transfer is complete, the selected tickets will be removed from your Game Time account and made available to the recipient after they receive it. Now, the recipient should check their email or text message for the ticket notification and follow the instructions to access the tickets. Now, depending on the delivery method, they may need to create an account or sign in before they can view or use the ticket. And if you share a ticket by mistake and it hasn't been permanently transferred, just open the share ticket in the Game Time app and tap on share ticket, and this returns the ticket to your account. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.